Hello everyone, my name is Satya. You are watching SR.MOHANTY channel. Today we will discuss how to change unit in Mastercam. Suppose when you are opening Mastercam, your unit is here you can see your unit is inch mode. Suppose you want to change in millimeter. How is the option that you will see? First you go to file, then go to configuration. Here you can see this downside, you can see now it's showing inch. Here just you click here is showing millimeter setup, sorry, millimeter startup. You just click in second one millimeter and okay. Here you can see now in interface, now it is in got it. Go to configuration. Here you can see. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In next video we'll discuss many other options.